but almost. Or also, see, that guy looks really bad. Let's fix him. Take and pat until your line of blending goes away. See, this is all wet, and all I really had to do was just take this blender and pat it away. So you can't tell where one ends and the other one starts. So back here he's got some dark feathers. So I just kind of put a corner in there with the dark on it and then blended it out. You can also use a mop, to do the same thing. Don't make it go away, just make it blend. I'm going to get a little more of that. Blend it with the mop. These are a little too uniform over here. Okay, I'm going to wipe my brush again. And I think I'm going to use a little more yellow. And introduce some more yellow up in here where it is still wet. And I want that to look like feathers, but if I thought it was too choppy, then I could just go in there and blend it. But see, I don't want that look. I want it choppy to look like feathers. Now I need to shade here. And I'm using the red violet tipped in the black. Come all the way down the side here, and I need to smooth that blend out. Pat blending is just like this. It's all you do is pat. When that dries, that needs to be widened and deepened. So okay, so now I'm going to come to the green part again, and I still have some of this out. And some of it's dried up, but this part isn't. That's good, because that's the part I had to mix. So let me clean this brush. And I think I'm going to go to this angle. You can really use any brush you want to. And I'm going to come back in here, and this is all still wet. And we're going to come back in here and pick up some of this again, this green, and I'll put it up in here. And down here is where I didn't seal, so it's grabbing. Put some yellow in. Go back to my green. I can use, let's see, where'd my warm white go? I can use some warm white to lighten it. Now it's got a little chalky, so let's go back in and get some more yellow. And our darker greens. And all I really did was just kind of smash it around here and come back in with my mop and smooth away the lines. up here. If I wanted to do a second coat and get a little lighter and brighter up here, put this on. Oh boy, that's a dark. Got some dark in there. I got to wipe out my brush. Yeah, I'm smearing now. Anyhow. Not too bad for unsealed watercolor paper, I guess. And get rid of that brush. And that one's still got red in it. I need a clean brush. Okay, so let's put down a line of Hansa Yellow Light. And I'm gonna kind of put it like this. I'm crisscrossing a little bit. So here's my area that's going to be this color. And I'm making the edges jagged. So let's say I was going to come back in with something that's say 2 values lower. Let's go with yellow oxide. So I'm putting this right here, and I'm also putting it in pretty jagged. Okay. Lay down your values, wipe your brush, pinch wipe your brush, pull back on your handle, and come in here and start crisscrossing to blend. Do a couple of strokes, wipe your brush, wipe your brush. The most important thing to remember when you're pat blending is every 3 or 4 seconds, wipe that brush. If you don't, you're just pushing paint around and you're not blending. Okay, see how that's kind of blending into a third color? And then you can just come down with your mop, with a clean mop. And smooth that.